Hi everyone, Kathy Maxon, Craft Creations by Kathy. I'm going to show you how to just zhuzh up, fancy up a little baby wreath. So I went to Joann Fabrics. They had their Christmas 80% off the day after Christmas. So as you can see, this is a little tiny wreath. And I plan on adding some greenery to it. And look at how cute this little seahorse is. So I'm going to add the seahorse. And then I got some, Starfish Picks. So that's what I'm going to do. I want to show you what I did. I was trying a video on my old phone. So this wreath was just this white, and I added the flowers, and then I add some boxwood. So this is what I did with this one. So I'm looking for like some wintry looking wreaths. So you have to kind of figure out which way. I kind of had to twist some of these leaf sections so they face the front. I have my little pick machine over here on the side. So all it does is going to add me a pick. And then I'm just going to kind of go with the wreath. I got my glue pot on the side over here. So I'm just going to kind of go with the flow. And I don't want to stick it down in it because it's going to stick out the other side. So all I want to do is just add a little bit of greenery. I'll make it look like maybe some seaweed is what I was hoping. So let me finish adding the greenery and I'll come back. Ooh, I feel like I rearranged everything in here. But I added some, this greenery. I was hoping, like I said, it looked like seaweed. I just feel like some of these leaf things are just like spun around to the back. Okay, so I think I'm going to add my seahorse over here on this side. I am going to cut my stem. Just want to see. Is it going to fit in there? So I'll add my seahorse like that. I'm going to have to cut the stem a little more because it looks like it was sticking out the bottom. Okay. Is that where I said I wanted it? Okay, here we go. Let's get some glue on the post. Let's stick it down in here. Okay. Trying to see how that looks in the camera. Okay, it doesn't come out the side, so let's cut off some of these starfish. Okay, I'm just trying to pull them down through the wrapper a little bit. So I can get more stem, I guess, if I need it. And then straighten those out. So let's see what we want to do here. So we can kind of stick maybe one there. And then maybe one in there. Do I want to stick one on this side too? Just to give it a little, trying to see. Hang on, I'm going to hold it up, see if I like that. I just stick this one kind of up in there. Okay, let's just go for it. I think I'll leave the stem on it. I kind of hid it back. I probably didn't want to hide it back that far, did I? That's okay. I'll put that one like in there. Stick one over on this side. Of course, all these stems are right over here. There. So just take an ordinary little tiny little wreath, pick you up some maybe additional greenery, some little picks. Like I said, I got all this stuff from Joann Fabrics, and it was all 80% off. How about that? So just another idea. Thanks for watching.